Hi guys, welcome back to Math Shafi. So the last session, I think you have gone through the video. We are going for the multiplication of two-digit numbers. Okay, so I think it was okay, right? It was easy. It was time saving. Please practice. Okay, practice is very important in maths. Okay, fine. Today we are going for one 3-digit and one 2-digit multiplication. So last class what was it? Two-digit numbers. Today is one 3-digit and one 2-digit. That means we will write the formula. What is that? ABC is a 3-digit number into, let it be JK. For reasons I am writing as JK. So this is a 3-digit into 2-digit multiplication. We are going for the easy way. So we will start with what? The unit place of the answer that we already told. The unit place of the answer will be what? The extreme numbers. What is that? CK will be the unit place of the answer. Fine. That is the same as the previous one. The product of the unit place. Fine. Now, the second step, we should be careful. What happened here? Here are two pairs of multiplication going on simultaneously. That means the tens digit of the product will be the product of these two pairs. Which are these two pairs? The first pair is BC and JK. We are going to multiply like that. How we are going to multiply? The product of means plus product of extreme numbers. That means what? CJ, okay, plus what is that? BK. Okay, I think you can see the proof, right? So the unit place, that is a normal thing, the product of the unit digits. But the tens place is we are taking these two pairs as we have done previously in 2-digit multiplication. We have taken the tens place, we are taking like that only. But again the 100th place, okay, the 100th place is we are shifting the pairs. How we are shifting the pairs? Here one more pair we can take. What is that? AB into JK. You got that? So the 100th place is what? We are taking AB and JK. What is it? AB and JK? Again the same thing, the same process. What is that? The product of means plus the product of extremes. So what is the product of means and product of extremes? That is BJ, okay, plus what is that? AK. Okay, BJ plus AK. Is it over? No. Please keep in mind that we are multiplying a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. So we will get at least 4 digits, provided if there is a 0. The case will shift. Okay, that we will see when we are trying some more questions. We will get to that. Okay, so we are multiplying 3 into 2. So obviously that product will be what? 4-digit number. That means one more digit will come. What is that? That's the 1000th digit. Okay, this unit place, tens place, 100th place, and the 1000th place. What is the 1000th place? How it is coming? That we will see. That's the last step. What is that? Yes, I think you can guess. Right. The 100 into 10. That is the last step. Okay, what is that? A into J. Okay, so we will come back again. ABC into JK. That is 3 into 2 multiplication. So first what we are going to do, the same step. What is that? Unit place into unit place, that is C into K. That will give you the unit place of the answer. Okay, now what is the next one? Next one we are going for two pairs. Always keep in mind we are going for two pairs of number. What is the first pair? BC into JK. That means tens unit place, tens unit place of both the numbers. BC into JK we are taking it as pair. And the normal process that we have done in the earlier session. What is that? 2-digit and 2-digit. Second step. What is the second step? The product of extreme BK plus the product of means CJ. That will give you the tens place of the product. Okay. Now the 100th place. Again one more pair we should take. That's the only difference here. Which is the one more pair? AB into JK. Okay. AB means 100th and tens of the first number. JK means the second number itself. Okay. Again the same process. What is that? Product of extremes, that is AK, plus product of means, BJ. Okay, and 3 into 2 multiplication, so obviously it will be a 4-digit number which we get as a product. Okay, so what is that? The last step is what? A into J. Oh, you got that? A into J, that means 100 place into the tens place and give you the answer. So we will try some questions. Okay, fine. Yes, we will start with the example. Okay, first question, we'll go for just an example. What is it? It will be what? 325 into 17. That's a 3-digit number into 2-digit number. Okay, 325 into 17. We will write the step. Okay, last time also we have wrote the step for the first question. That will be easy. What is the first one? C into K. What is C into K? That is 5 into 7. The unit place into unit place. 5 into 7. Okay. So I will write it. I need some more space. Sorry. Okay. I will write it here. What is that? 5 into 7. Now, what about the tens place? CJ plus BK. That means we should know we are taking the, just listen which pair we are taking. Just note the pairs we are taking. Just keep that in mind. That is 25 into 17 we are going to, BC into JK. 25 into 17 we are going to take. Now it will be easier. What? 2 into 7 plus, what is that? 5 into 1. Product of extremes plus product of means. Okay. Again, the 100 place, the same thing, we are shifting the pairs. Now which are pairs? The next pair is 32 into 17. Only that should come in our mind. Okay. 32 into 7. That you will get only through practice. Fine. 32 into 17. How to go for 32 into 17? Again the same thing. Product of extremes. That is 3 into 7. Okay. Plus product of means. What is that? 2 into 1. You got that? Fine. And the 1000th place. Okay. What is that? That will be the multiplication of the 100th place of the 3-digit number and the 10th place of the 2-digit number. That is 3 into 1. Now the rest step will be the same. What? The carryover. That we should take into account. Okay. What is that? We'll go for that. What is 7 into 5? What is 7 into 5 is 35. So 5 I am writing here. 3 is a carryover. Fine. And again, mind calculation is very important. Okay. 2 into 7, 14 plus 5 into 1, 5. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 3 is how much? 22. So 2 here, 2 carry over. Okay. Now 3 into 7, what is that? 21. 2 into 1, 2. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. 5. Again carry over 2. 25 is a number. See, don't forget that we are doing it again. Once we are doing it again and again, you will get this speed. Okay, don't worry about all these things. Initially you will have some problem because we are multiplying and adding, then again adding the carryover. Don't worry about it now. Just try. You will find it more easier. Okay. And the last one is that 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So answer is 5,525. Okay. You got that? Is it fine? Okay. So one more question we will try. What is that? Next question. 413 into 25. So again we will write the step, or we will go directly? No. This question also will go for the step. Okay. One more question. This question also will go for the step. Fine. So first step is what? Unit into unit place. What is that? 3 into 5. Okay. Fine. Just try to increase the speed when you go for more and more questions. Okay. Fine. Next step. Which are the pairs here? 13 into 25. Just forget the 4 here. 13 into 25 are the pairs. Okay. So 1 into 5 here. Product of extremes 1 into 5 plus product of means 3 into 2. Okay. Got that? Again, which are the next pairs? 41 into 25. Forget the 3 here. Okay. 41 into 25. How much is 41 25? How will you get the product of extremes? 4 into 5 plus What's the next one? Please tell me. What is that? Yes. 4 into 5 plus, which one we are doing? 41 into 25 we are doing, right? 4 into 5 plus 1 into 2. Very good. Yeah, I think you are writing along. Very good. Yes. And the last one. What is that? This 4 and 2. 4 into 2. You got that? Right. Okay. Now, coming back to carryover. What is that? 3 into 5 is 15. 1 is a carryover here. Next is what? 1 into 5 is 5 plus 3 into 2 is 6. 5 plus 6, how much is that? 11. 11 plus our carryover 1. 12. 2 here, 1 carryover. Again, 4 into 5 is 20 plus 1 into 2 is 2. So 22 plus 1, how much is that? 23. 3 here, 2 carryover. Okay. And the last step, what is that? 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10,325. See, the earlier question we have got a 4-digit as an answer. Now we are writing the 5-digit as an answer. It will go on. It will just increase. It won't decrease. Why? Because it is a 3 into 2 multiplication. That is 3 by 2 multiplication. 3 digit into 2 digit. So minimum there will be 4 digits. Okay, you got that? And maximum can move on. Right, 5, 6 digits may be there. So whichever digits we are there, follow this step. And the last thing, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 will give you what? If it is 100, you will have to write like that. 100 itself we are writing. Because there is no place to carry over again. So just make sure that we are writing it like this. Right? And one more question can we do? Yes, the last question. Without step we are going to try. Okay, without step we are going to try. Fine? Okay, let it be what? 275 into, let it be what? 63. Oh, 275 into 63. See, I am trying this. I am going to try this without step. Don't worry. If you are trying it with using this step also, there is no issue. But make sure that we try other questions, many questions without the step. Then only we will go for it. Okay. Now we will go forward without trying the step. Fine, without using the step. What is that? First, I am going to do 5 into 3, 15. Okay. And 1 is a carry. See, in the earlier, we have the privilege of writing these carry over for each section. But here we are not going for the step. So how we are going to do that? Just see. 5 I have written. 1 carryover is there. Okay. Now the next pair is what? Next we are taking pair 75 into 63. Are we going for 75 into 63? And going for mind calculation without the step. That is 5 into 6. That is 30. 7 into 3. 21. 30 plus 21. How much is that? 51. 51 plus my carryover is 1. What is my sum there? 52. 2 here. 5 is the next carryover. So I am writing 5 here. I am cancelling the 1 here. Why? Because or else for the next step I will get confused. So always practice this cancelling. Okay. So 1 has been cancelled. The 5 is the next carryover I should do. For which one? The next pair. Which is the next pair? Next pair is this. 27 and 63, right? The earlier pair was 75 into 63. Now it is 27 and 63. Again the same thing. Product of extreme. Or 2 into 3 is 6. And 7 into 6 is 42, right? 6 plus 42. What is 6 plus 42? 48. And the carryover, what is the carryover? Don't forget the carryover. What is that? 5. Carryover is 5. 48 plus 5 is 53. Okay. Again 5 is a carryover. Either you can cut it and again write the 5. Or I am not cutting it because 5 again is repeating. Okay. For the first thing we are cutting it again. I am writing it 5 here. Okay. Now what is the last one? There is one last step. What is that? The 100th place of the 3-digit number and the 10th place of the 2-digit number. That's the last step. What is that? 2 into 6. Now pairs are over. Okay. 2 into 6. What is that? 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17,325. See, we are not writing it like this. The traditional method. What is that? 275 into 63. Again one step here. Again one step here. One here. And the product. See how much time we are wasting. Here we are just going for the calculation and only we are writing the what carryover. The only time we are wasting is writing the carryover. Fine? Yes? So it will be much time saving and energy saving. Please try it. Okay? It will be very useful. Fine? So I will give you a homework. Okay? 492 into, it will be what, 57. Please try it and put it in the comment box. Fine, please check it and put it in the comment box. First you try with the step, second you try another number without the step. Okay, and just put it in the comment box. So the next session we will go for what, 4 into 2 multiplication, that is also needed. Okay, then we'll go for the next session. Okay, so please like, comment and share. Okay, and subscribe to our channel Mathshefi for more interesting videos. Okay, please try. Fine, thank you.